alignment.
Perfect. Hello everybody, welcome to today's video. We are going to be heading to Park Drift. It is Summer Jam this weekend and it is day 2. I have my fiance here, Allie, and her sister Jasmine. Jasmine, say hi.
Hi.
We're gonna head to Dutch Bros first, get some drinks, and then we'll be heading to Park. I was originally planning... She does the most random things at such weird times. Anyways, I was gonna do a time lapse and then realized that we have no way to do a time lapse of the drive. But anyways, stop at Dutch Bros, might record it, might not, and then we will see you guys at Park.
We got our Dutch, and we're ready to go. Are you ready?
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Are you ready?
I'm not looking at you, so I can't tell who you're recording.
All right, see you guys in a minute.
We stopped for gas, and Allie and Jasmine went inside to get some food. They meant to get some food from Dutch Bros and then forgot. So, yeah, getting gas. See that? And then we'll head to Park. I forgot about this part. We have made it to heaven. I mean, Park. Same thing. Pit area right here. Cars driving around. This is crazy. It is packed. I've come here a few times before for open drift days, but I've never been here for Summer Jam. And man, Summer Jam is crazy. Alright, so at this point, it's obviously very loud, so it'll probably just be car stuff from here on out. I don't know how much more of this will actually be vlogging, so enjoy. Here comes a pickup truck. This is something new, that's for sure. That was awesome. Oh. Was that a reverse entry?
He stole my joke.
She made the joke and I didn't record it, so I said it. I'm here with my friend Dirk. I'm doing some ride-alongs. Dirk, I'll shout out your Instagram. I'll put it like here and then put it in the link too. We're gonna do a couple laps and then yeah. Is there anything else you wanted to shout out besides your Instagram?
I'm learning.
Okay, there we go. He's learning. So yeah, here we go.
Sorry. Not understand. Alright, throw this in your lap.
Okay.
Oh, they cut off this corner.
Oh, weird. Alright, so that was a lap at Park. I forgot how much.
I did really good that first turn.
Yeah, that was awesome. And then understeer central for a few of the turns, but that's fine.
Because of the tires I have, look at my vent clip came off.
As you can tell, I am wearing a helmet that doesn't fit very well. It's not mine, it's Allie's dad's, so it doesn't fit great, but it's fine. So yeah, I was like, I forgot how much G-forces there are, so I was like, it was like coming down into my face, all kinds of stuff, but hopefully I still got some good footage.
Oh, they cut off this corner. Oh, weird. Alright, throw this in your lap. Okay.
Alright, so that was a lap at Park. I forgot how much.
alignment feels wrong. I don't know this turn very well.
Yeah, not worth the risk. Woo! Nice solid finish.
Look at this alignment.
Perfect. That's exactly what it's supposed to look
That is
like.
mint.
That's the drift alignment for you. This is the line to get in currently. You know, just onto the track. Like, Jesus. All right, so in the time between me recording, getting out of the car and then walking over here, car caught fire. They used all the extinguishers at the track. They needed people to donate their fire extinguishers, and people did it within like not even
30 seconds.
Yeah, not even a minute. And like 10 more people were walking up at the time. And then now crashed. So yeah, but everything's been handled really well. So shout out to all the workers here that got quickly through everything, and all the people that donated. You guys are awesome. It looks like this guy's gonna be able to get off the track here with some help. So we should be back drifting again soon.
Notice how the back says we send it. They really send it.
There's the car that caught on fire, FDRX7, wide body. That sucks. We feel your pain, dude. That is terrible.
Hi, how are you?
Oh, tires. Oh. Yeah. They barely hit each other.
right around. Turn your ass back around.
That could have been better, but that was pretty okay. Best run yet.
Yeah, dude, that was awesome.
Got every turn. Holy
Yeah.
cow. Oh, that feels good.
I picked a good time to record you.
Yeah,
That is going to do it for the action in today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Real quick before I end the video, though, I just wanted to say thank you again to Dirk for the ride-alongs. He improved so much. It was incredible to watch, and like I'm so glad that I got to be in the car for all of it. Once again, make sure you follow him. His link will be down in the description below. He's a great guy. Make sure you can follow his build. He's got a 370Z2 that's pretty badass. Also wanted to give a shout out to the event staff. They're like between the car fire and like a few cars going off the track and stuff. They did a great job of handling everything. It got it all over quickly, and so that everybody could go back to drifting and everybody can enjoy the event. Also, finally wanted to give a shout out to all the people that donated their fire extinguishers after that car fire. A lot of people probably got worried about, like, oh, is this going to be shut down, because they said they can't do any more drifting until they had fire extinguishers. and literally within a minute, like, they had everything they needed and had at least 10 more people walking up with fire extinguishers ready to go. So big shout out to those guys. And yeah, that's going to do it for today's video. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.